My experience in Nova Scotia went really well. They were really well organized and prepared for us when we got there, and it was minimal downtime before we were able to get right to work and start the restoration. So the community was, there was a lot of damage and destruction to the utility structures and homes, but there was a lot of damage, some beyond repair. So we were stationed in Glace Bay and we started the school restoration on day one. So the school was John Bernard Croak. And right from the beginning, I couldn't quite understand why we were focusing on a school and getting their power back on when there were still homes without power. But after the restoration, which took about, I think it was about 6 days, after the restoration, I found out from the supervisor from Hydro Ottawa who spoke with the principal that there was a food program that the students were all missing out on. And hearing that and having 5 kids of my own, it kind of breaks your heart a little bit. And so we decided, like my family decided to reach out to the school and talk to the principal. So in doing that, I found out about the breakfast program that the province covers. But hearing from the principal that a bunch of the parents had reached out and asked if they could help out with lunches because they were in need with all the damage done to their homes and their finances being needed elsewhere, the school was going to offer the lunch program for the rest of that week because that's all they had available funds for. When I talked to my family, we came up with some funds, and then my wife and I decided that we would reach out to all the Hydro Ottawa workers that were there. And every single one of the workers jumped all over the opportunity to help out and help the community. And every single one of us donated, and we were able to get a nice donation to the school that ended up being matched by Nova Scotia Power when they found out about it, and as well as being matched by Hydro Ottawa, which was fantastic. So a minimal donation from all the workers turned into a big donation from all 3 parties, and the school is going to be taken care of for quite a few months. And the main thing is the kids are going to be fed.
At Hydro Ottawa, we have a very proud tradition of giving where we live. We help communities, and we are a community builder. One of the schools there, the John Bernard Croak Memorial School, has a lunch program that really supports the community for those kids that really in some cases don't have enough to eat. Our employees heard the stories, heard the financial trouble that they were going through with this particular hurricane, and took action immediately. The employees that we know, the employees that we love, we know where their heart is and where it is, and Nova Scotia got to see that too, and that school got to see it too. Thank you guys so much for what you guys did. We are so extremely proud of what you did, and I have no doubt that the community is just super thankful.